风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song here on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin, and we're going to introduce to you the Hakka band True Noodles, where their sound is a blend of guitar, clarinet, and bass clarinet. Now, they put together their second album in July called Descend Up, Ascend Down. The content revolves around hiking and the magnificence of the outdoors. It paints a picture of hiking as the depths of the heart and the most serene of spiritual journeys. One of the tracks on this album is called Float or Feel, and let's take a listen to 春面乐团 or True Noodle. 春面乐队呢，在今年的7月发行第2张客语创作专辑，叫做《下回上去》，当中记录着创作者每次登山时，不只感受到外在世界的壮丽，还有内心的宽阔。Feel 这首歌呢，看似探问他人，实则是对自己的告诫，以为自己会下沉，但总有一股力量把人往上推向光明，再次自在呼吸。What a great song that takes in another breath to gather more strength. Brought to you by True Noodles Band. Hope you like it. My name is Joseph Lin. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.